Desi Crew started in Feb 2007 with the idea of joining three dots together. How do you create gainful employment in the rural areas using technology? The idea came into being because we saw that a lot of young people were actually working in the organized BPO sector in larger cities. And we said, now that computers and connectivity is available, why don't jobs travel rather than people traveling? As the Indian consumer grows, the telecom, the banking, the insurance sector, these organizations, these industries need people to service their own customers. We started with very basic data entry work where we would get scanned images and enter them into a database and give it back to the client. However, we've moved away from just pure data entry to slightly more knowledge-based activities. We currently work with a service provider where you can send a question on an SMS. Any kind of question can be sent on an SMS, and 90% of the questions are answered by the database. But in case the database does not have the answer, someone from our team looks up and reverts, sends an SMS back with the answer. We've also worked with two of the largest internet companies in the world where we've done work looking at their portals, not only for the Indian portals, but also portals that operate in the US or UK or France or Germany. We have worked with maps, where we look at satellite maps and create digital maps out of them and also create content on those maps. There are more than 600 odd small towns and there are 700,000 villages. Even if 10% of these were to be converted as BPO centers or hubs where people could come and work, and each of these had only 50 people working in a BPO sector at 5,000 rupees. I mean, we can calculate the amount of money that will go into the to the domestic economy. The idea of Desi Crew started as a concept to show that the domestic BPO industry can utilize a rural BPO model to grow forward, and we'd like to see about 5,000 odd people and a pan-India presence over the next 5 years.